It's our December workspace box unboxing. I cannot wait to dive in. There are a few products in this box I have been dying to get my hands on. So let's get started. As always, workspacepark has the most incredible trainings. So this December, we didn't have anything new, but we want you to kind of recap and go through all these trainings if you've missed any. Great experts. We're so grateful for all the speakers and experts that have poured into us this year and to our members. So let's dive into the box. This theme is our founders' favorite things. This month, enjoy a few of our founders' favorite things. So here's what's inside. First things first, our Copper Cow Chai Spice Tea. Copper Cow Lavender Latte. Okay, so this is the product I have been dying to get. So Copper Cow is a Vietnamese coffee company, and what's cool is I won't open it. Here is a lavender latte. I won't open it, but if you see on the back, it already has the contraption that you put over your cup for the pour over coffee. How awesome is that? It also comes with its own milk and sugar. So awesome. If you've never had Vietnamese coffee, it is simply amazing. Also, for those who may not like coffee, there is a chai spice tea from Tea Drops. Tea Drops partnered with Copper Coffee, and they provided milk as well. So if you're not into milk into your coffee or tea, at least try a little bit because it is the Vietnamese way and it's awesome. Next, Just Being Awesome Spooner Mug. How cute is this? It says Just Being Awesome on both sides and has a mug. So great way to try your chai tea or your latte. Next is the rechargeable folding LED lamp. Can you see it there? Awesome. So I already took it out so that you could see it. Very easy to unfold. You can make it as tall as you want. It's a great product there. And the LED, I believe, goes 3 different ways. So cool product. I cannot wait to put this on my desk. Then we have the wireless speaker. Pair any Bluetooth device to this wireless speaker and enjoy your favorite holiday songs accompanied by LED lights. How cute is that? I have been needing a wireless speaker. Cute, cute, cute. And last but not least, gold picture frame. Every desk needs a cute picture frame. Showcase your holiday memories and bring a little joy to your day with this gold picture frame. How cute is that? Packaged snugly so that doesn't break. Love, love, love. Look at that. Love it. All right, well, that is our December box. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you leave a comment and let us know what are your favorite items in the box. I'm trying my latte tomorrow. Please let me know if you like it or not. Bye.